Hello again with a new video from Emirates Keys and Diagnostic Tools. Today we have a new offer for you. Zenith Z7 Lite from the famous Korean company Zenith. This device is a powerful diagnostic tool that supports the topology system, system list, ADAS, EV cars diagnostic and battery management. It also gives you the code search where it can direct you to Google search to know more about the code. And in addition to that, this device is a perfect key programming tool and much more. The device comes with a ZVCI1 that provides a Bluetooth connection and supports CAN pass and ISO protocols. And as a gift, we are giving you this multi-adapter from Zenith that supports CAN-FD and DOIB protocols. And also as a gift, this Hyundai Kia emulator that solves the steering lock problems for Hyundai and Kia without programming. Order it now and don't miss the offer. Visit our website www.mk3.com.